This is so cool. I was playing with CAD tools this week and I found out a way where when you want to translate your documents directly in your document in Microsoft Word, by using two technologies together, you can gain a lot in productivity. So if you're using Wordfast Classic as a CAD tool in Microsoft Word, you may already know that, that can help you. And you can use that together with the Intento plugin that goes also directly in Microsoft Word, and using them together helps a lot your productivity. And I will show you how in this video, so look at it and pay attention. And I will also provide you discounted purchase links in the video description, so have a look at that as well. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so what we are looking at now is how to connect Intento and Wordfast Classic in Microsoft Word to make them work together so as to get maximum translation efficiency. So let's look into this. So I am here in Microsoft Word and I want to translate this document. So what I can do is, first I can use Wordfast Classic to leverage translation memories that I have. So to get Wordfast Classic started, I just need to use my keyboard and type Ctrl-Alt-W. And that brings up here this small dialog, which is the Wordfast Classic menu. And I know that I have some segments that are in my translation memory. So what I will do is I will click on this arrow here. That will translate everything that has 100% match. So let's get started. And here we are. So I can see here that everything has been translated, okay, from English to French, from what was in the translation memory. And now I am coming here to this segment and I want to see if I can use machine translation to translate that. So let's open Intento. I just need to click on this here. Okay, my Intento panel is opened. So what I can do now is I can just select the text that I want to look for a translation. And here it is. So that's my source that I have selected, and that's the answer that Microsoft Translator gives me. Let's say I want to check what DeepL V2 has to offer for this same sentence, and I do get that. But I know sometimes, well, ModernMT can be better. So let's go check out what ModernMT can do. And there we are. Okay, so I like this. So I will just copy paste this and put it here. Okay, and select just copy the text. Now I'm good to go. So I can move to my next segment. Okay, with that arrow and keep on translating, or I can just stop Wordfast Classic and that will also store that to my translation memory. So let's see now what we can do also with the Intento plugin if we are not using Wordfast Classic. So I'll just stop Wordfast Classic. Okay, so here I have this sentence and I see there is some formatting into it. So if I were to select everything, I would see the translation. Okay. But then I would have to fix some of the formatting myself. Now what I can do is actually select the text that is already formatted. Okay. And here I get my suggestion. And if I make a right click onto it, translate and replace, and Intento is able to keep the formatting. So bear that in mind, but that's very, very helpful. So as we've seen, it is very efficient to use Intento to select your own machine translation to be able to get the best output. It is also very useful to use that along with Wordfast Classic in Microsoft Word. And of course, Wordfast Classic can be connected to Wordfast server so as to leverage translation memories that you are able to share with your team. And you can do the same with glossaries as well. So that is something that is extremely useful. Now, Intento has this plugin that we've shown here available for Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and also some CAD tools. And it will be coming to Teams, Slack, and PowerPoint in the near future. Wordfast Classic works only in Microsoft Word. So to get Intento, the plugin is free. As you can see here, you can download it from Microsoft App Source, which is the secure way of downloading it. And Intento, as you've seen in my last video, starts at $8.99 a month, and you can purchase it with the link that I will place for you in the video description. Now, Wordfast Classic, it starts at $460, but I will have a link for you in the video description where you can buy it at 20% discount. And if you want to have more choice, well, you can buy a bundle, which is Wordfast Studio, which has Wordfast Classic and Wordfast Pro bundled together at 560 USDs. And I will have also a purchase discounted link in the video description with 20% off. So I hope you will find this useful. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to learn more about Intento, click here to watch this video. And if you want to see how you can connect Wordfast server and use that to improve your productivity working as a team, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.